So this week we're talking all things festive, and today we're talking about flexible working requests, remote working requests, etc. If your company does not operate remotely all of the time or a lot of the time, you might start to get requests for flexible working or remote working across the Christmas period. So what are the key things you want to be thinking about? Well, first of all, it's important to plan ahead early. So have a chat with your staff members if you haven't already, do it now to work out exactly what their requirements are. That does not mean you need to sit and say, tell me everything you need and I will do it, but it's important that you are organised and well prepared for anything that might potentially disrupt the operations of the business. The second thing you want to have a think about is ensuring that there is no favoritism or potential perception of discrimination with any of the decisions that you make. If somebody has asked for a flexible working request and someone else has as well, and you've provided it to one over the other, make sure there is a legitimate reason for doing so and that it doesn't come down to any form of discrimination or something that could be perceived as discrimination. It's also important that you think about employment law, UK employment law, and what you have to think about in that regard. So if someone has made a request for flexible working, then as an employer, you have to give it reasonable consideration. You have to make reasonable adjustments where necessary. You do have to comply with employment law for flexible working requests, even though it's only for this short festive period. If you have any questions about that or you want to chat through what your obligations are over the festive period, drop me a message or comment below this video and we can have a chat.